Hey everyone, welcome back to English Express. I'm Emily. Today in our Practical English series, we're going to cover one of the most important and sometimes stressful situations at the airport. Whether you're traveling for vacation, work or visiting family, knowing the right English phrases can make your airport experience so much smoother and less worrying. In this episode, we're going to walk through every major step of the airport journey, from arriving at the terminal to boarding the plane. You'll hear lots of natural, useful phrases many times, so you can remember them easily and feel confident when you travel. Let's start from the very beginning. You arrive at the airport and go to the departures area. You can say to yourself or to your travel companion, "Okay, first, I need to find the check-in counters." When you reach the counter, the staff member will usually greet you with, "Good morning. May I have your passport and ticket, please?" You can reply, "Here you are," or "Here's my passport and booking confirmation." If you have luggage, you'll hear, "How many bags are you checking in today?" You can answer clearly, "I have one suitcase to check in and one carry-on bag." If your bag is heavy, you might be asked, "Would you like any help with your luggage?" You can say, "Yes, please. It's quite heavy." Or, "No, thank you. I can manage." After check-in, you get your boarding pass. The staff might say, "Your gate is B32. Boarding starts at 10:45. You can ask questions like, "Excuse me, is the flight on time?" Or, "Could you tell me which terminal I need to go to?" Next comes security. This part can feel a bit fast, so it's good to be prepared. When you reach the security officer, you'll hear, "Please take out your laptop and liquids." You can respond, "Sure, here they are." If you're not sure what to do at security, you can politely ask, "Excuse me, do I need to remove my shoes? Or should I take my jacket off?" After security, you might have some time before boarding. This is a great moment for small talk or relaxing. You could say to someone sitting nearby, "The flight seems a bit delayed. Have you been waiting long?" Or, "This airport is really busy today, isn't it?" Now, let's talk about boarding the plane. When you hear your boarding group called, you can go to the gate and say, "Excuse me, this is my boarding pass. Am I in the right line?" On the plane, the flight attendant might say, "Welcome aboard. Your seat is 25A. You can reply, "Thank you. Could you help me put my bag in the overhead compartment?" Or, "Excuse me, is this seat taken?" Once you're seated, you might need to make requests. You can say, "Could I have a blanket, please? May I have a glass of water?" Or, "Could I change my seat to the window side?" If you have dietary needs, tell the crew early, "I'm vegetarian. Is there a vegetarian meal available?" Or, "I'm allergic to nuts. Could you make sure there are no nuts?" During the flight, if you need something, you can press the call button and say, "Sorry to bother you, but could I have some headphones?" Or, "The air conditioning is a bit cold. Could I have another blanket?" When the plane lands, you'll hear announcements like, "Please remain seated until the seatbelt sign is off." After landing, you can say to the crew as you leave, "Thank you for the flight. Have a nice day." Or, "The service was excellent. Thank you very much." Now let's talk about possible problems and how to handle them politely. If your flight is delayed, you can ask at the information desk, "Excuse me, do you know how long the delay will be?" Or, "Will the airline provide any meal vouchers?" If your luggage is missing after arrival, you can go to the lost baggage counter and say, my suitcase didn't arrive. Here's my baggage tag. Or, could you help me track my luggage, please? Here are many more useful airport phrases you'll hear and can use. I have an e-ticket. Here's my confirmation number. Is there any free Wi-Fi in the airport? Where is gate B32? How long is the layover? Can I have a seat upgrade, please? I need a wheelchair assistance, please. Could you repeat the announcement? I didn't hear it clearly. Let me repeat some of the most important and commonly used phrases so they stay clearly in your memory. May I have your passport and ticket, please? I'd like to check in one bag. Could you help me with my luggage? Excuse me, where is gate number? Could I have a window seat, please? Thank you for your help. Excuse me, my flight is delayed. What should I do? Travelling through an airport can feel overwhelming, but when you know these phrases, you'll feel much more in control. Even if you practice them at home while imagining the situations, it makes a big difference. Try saying them out loud. Excuse me, could I have a glass of water? Or, my suitcase didn't arrive. Can you help me? The more you travel, the more natural these phrases will become. And remember, airport staff are usually very helpful, especially when you speak politely and clearly. That's all for today's episode. Thank you so much for listening all the way through. Keep practicing these airport phrases. They will make your future travels much smoother and more enjoyable. You're doing an amazing job improving your spoken English step by step. See you in the next episode. Take care, stay safe, and have a wonderful day.